Welcome to the show how to change icon shape into INFINIX Smart 6 HD. First of all, open your Play Store and in search find X icon changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. And now, when we open our application, need from the list choose your application. Sorry, I don't wanna this. I wanna maybe YouTube. Will be nice. Okay, choose our YouTube, and now from the library of your icon, choose some new icon, maybe this one. And for saving this icon, you tap on the top right corner to OK button, and wait a second for generating. And now we got message add to home screen, tap add, got success, so go to our home screen and here we got new YouTube icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.